Fixing your website's accessibility is a cheat code for making more money. An online retailer literally boosted their conversions by 25% just by focusing on this. You're probably staring at your analytics, wondering why everyone abandons their cart. You change the button color, you tweak the design, but nothing works. Here's the secret. Your standard analytics are only telling you half the story. They show you what is happening, but not why. They don't tell you that a power user who navigates with a keyboard can't select a product size, or that a user with a visual impairment can't even find the checkout button because their screen reader can't see it. This is the analytics gap, and it's costing you sales. You can close this gap. Start tracking how people actually use your site. See how often the tab key is used for navigation. Are users getting stuck in a loop? Track engagement with video captions. If no one uses them, maybe the button is hidden or broken. Let's go back to that retailer. Their checkout was a disaster zone. An audit found keyboard users couldn't select sizes and screen readers couldn't read the form fields. They fixed these roadblocks. The result was insane. A 25% overall increase in conversions. And purchases from keyboard-only navigators shot up by 200%. They proved that making their site work for everyone directly translated into a massive revenue boost. So, stop treating accessibility like a legal chore. It's a data-driven strategy for growth. It's about connecting simple fixes to real dollars and unlocking a market you've been ignoring. Stop guessing and start measuring.